10 budget-friendly New Year decor hacks you'll love. Welcome to our New Year decor extravaganza. If you're looking to transform your home into a festive wonderland without breaking the bank, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll share 10 amazing budget-friendly decor hacks that will wow your guests and give your space a celebratory vibe. Whether it's DIY balloon garlands, repurposed Christmas ornaments, or creative centerpieces, these ideas are simple, affordable, and guaranteed to make your New Year's Eve party unforgettable. Grab your crafting supplies and let's get started. Hack 1. DIY glitter candle holders. Transform plain candle holders into glamorous New Year's decor with just a bit of glitter. Take some old glass jars or candle holders, apply a thin layer of craft glue to the exterior, and roll them in glitter. Use gold, silver, or black glitter for a classic New Year's Eve color palette. Once dry, place tea lights inside and enjoy the warm, sparkling glow. These glitter candle holders make beautiful table centerpieces or can line your entryway to welcome guests. Hack 2. Balloon garland on a budget. Create a stunning balloon garland without spending a fortune. Purchase balloons in your desired New Year's color scheme from a dollar store. Blow them up in various sizes and attach them to a string or fishing line using tape or glue dots. Drape the garland over a doorway, mantle, or along a wall to create a statement piece. To elevate the design, mix in metallic balloons or small strands of fairy lights for added sparkle. Hack 3. Repurpose Christmas ornaments. Don't pack away your Christmas ornaments just yet. Repurpose them into elegant New Year's decor. Arrange metallic or glittery ornaments in a large glass bowl or vase to create a chic centerpiece. Alternatively, hang them on a decorative tree branch placed in a pot or vase for a minimalist yet festive touch. This hack gives your old ornaments a fresh new look and saves you money on buying additional decor. Hack 4. DIY confetti poppers. Make your own confetti poppers for a fun and interactive decor element. Save empty toilet paper rolls, fill them with homemade confetti, and wrap them in tissue paper tied at both ends. Use shiny, colorful paper for an extra festive vibe. Place these poppers in a decorative bowl or as party favors for guests. When midnight strikes, everyone can join in on the fun with a shower of confetti. Hack 5. Elegant clock backdrop. A countdown-themed backdrop is a must for any New Year's party. Print out large clock faces from free online templates or draw your own. Mount them on cardboard and arrange them on a wall with gold and silver streamers as accents. This backdrop makes for a fantastic photo spot and ties perfectly into the New Year countdown theme. Hack 6. Festive DIY Champagne Bottles. Give your champagne bottles a festive makeover. Spray paint empty bottles in metallic gold or silver, then decorate them with glitter, sequins, or ribbon. Arrange them on a drink table or as part of your centerpiece. If you're serving champagne, personalize the bottles with labels featuring fun New Year messages. These bottles double as decor and conversation starters. Hack 7. Tinsel Curtain Room Divider. Add sparkle and dimension to your space with a DIY tinsel curtain. Hang metallic tinsel curtains in a doorway or as a room divider to create a glamorous backdrop. These curtains also work well behind a bar cart or buffet table, instantly elevating the festive vibe of your party. Plus, they're affordable and easy to set up. Hack 8. DIY Party Hats and Crowns. Make your own party hats and crowns using cardstock, glitter, and embellishments. Cut crown shapes or cone hats, then decorate them with sequins, feathers, or metallic paint. Add elastic bands for easy wearability. Display these hats on a tray near the entrance so guests can grab one and join the fun and style. Hack 9. Glow Stick Centerpieces. For a fun and modern twist, create glow stick centerpieces. Arrange glow sticks in glass vases or jars and pair them with clear or metallic accents for a futuristic, colorful centerpiece. These centerpieces look incredible in dim lighting and add a vibrant energy to your New Year celebration. Hack 10. String light bottle lanterns. Repurpose empty wine or soda bottles into magical lanterns by filling them with battery-operated string lights. These glowing bottles can be placed along walkways, on mantles, or as part of your table decor. Choose warm white or multicolored lights to match your theme. This hack is not only budget-friendly but also incredibly easy to create. And there you have it, 10 budget-friendly New Year decor hacks that are simple, stunning, and sure to impress your guests. With these ideas, you can create a festive atmosphere without overspending. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative DIY and decor inspiration. Let us know in the comments which hack you'll be trying this year. Here's to a sparkling New Year celebration. Cheers to 2025.